Welcome to this tutorial video on how to install the ImplaStation on macOS devices. First, visit the official website and go to the download section. Select the appropriate link to download the macOS version of the software. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder and double-click the installation file. In the installation window, drag the ImplaStation icon into the Applications folder as instructed. After this step, the software becomes available for launch. Open the ImplaStation and confirm the launch as it was downloaded from the internet. Next, proceed to the authorization process. Enter email address to add a user. If the email is already registered, an activation key will be sent to that address. If it hasn't been previously registered in the program, a registration form will appear. Fill in all required fields, making sure to accept the terms of use. After registration, check your inbox for the activation key message. Please save the key file attached to the email or copy its contents for further activation. Remember, while you can use a single email for unlimited device registrations, the key file downloaded during registration is tied to the computer where it was installed. Moving the key file to another device won't activate the app there. Once you're back in the program, you can activate the key by uploading the downloaded file via the Explorer or pasting the text version of the key into the corresponding input field. The installation and registration are now complete. ImplaStation is ready to use.